Hi crafters, I'm Robbie Susan Chandler from RobbieSusanCardsandCrafts.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Quincy, Florida, right outside Tallahassee, Florida. I'm here to share a project with you, so let's get started. Today I want to share a quick and easy card with you. This is a pocket card, and the reason it's called a pocket card is it opens up, and then here's a pocket area to slip your sentiment or greeting into, and you could also slip a gift card down in there. So let's take a look at how you put this quick and easy pocket card together. The papers I used, the designer series paper is called Inked Botanicals, and it has lots of gorgeous pieces in it. The ones I used are just some of the pretty ones, but I love a lot of the other ones in this set. And then the cinnamon on the front, I don't know if you can see, but it's shiny and it's textured, and it's from this pack of paper. This also has balmy blue in it, along with shaded spruce and the white. And this set's called the textured shimmer paper. Let's see if I can get that in there. Textured shimmer paper. And then the stamp sets I use for the best wishes and So Happy to Celebrate You are from Layering Leaves. And the flower I used beside the So Happy to Celebrate You is from Sentimental Park. Also from Sentimental Park, I used the die to cut the Best Wishes sentiment piece. So this die came from Sentimental Park. Okay, let's look at the pieces that we'll need for this card. Your card base is basic white, the thick basic white, and it's 8.5 inches by 5.5. And I scored it at 1 3/4 and 5 3/4. So that's this area, this is your bottom, and this is the top area. So these are your score lines, 1 3/4 and 5 3/4. And then the inside piece is the regular basic white, and it's 3.5 inches by 4.5 inches. And then for the top piece to put up here, I cut. This is Calypso Coral, and it's 5 3/8 by 2 5/8. And the piece that I put on top of it, that's the inked botanical, is 5 1/4 by 2. And I just adhere those two pieces together. And then on the bottom section, your Calypso Coral piece is 5 3/8 by 1 5/8. And designer series piece that goes on it is 5 1/4 by 1 3/8. And it just adheres to there. Now you take this piece and just put a little piece of glue on each side to glue this down, and that makes your pocket. And then you glue, get this off, you glue these pieces on top of there, and you've got your whole pocket area. Now for the top, after I adhere these two together, I embossed it with the Stripes embossing folder out of the one called Stripes and Splatters, and it gave this stripy look, which I really liked. And because I only cut this at 2 inches because I was trying to conserve my 6x6 paper, I decided to adhere a piece of this glitter organza ribbon to the bottom, just like that, and that goes on your front top flap, this area. So you've got this on the top, this one on the bottom, and then all you have to do is just adhere your sentiment, and I did put that on with dimensionals, and stamp your inside piece. And that's all there is to this card. I told you it was quick and easy. I hope you'll try this card. I hope you like this card. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, and please like my video. And if you need a demonstrator, I'd love to be your demonstrator. So until next time, happy crafting!